For PSSD officers, you have the option to view all user-submitted report. Let's start with the unsafe condition report. To view all user-submitted unsafe condition report, go to the left dashboard panel. Under Report section, click on Unsafe Condition. This will show the list of all the user-submitted unsafe condition report. Click on the eye icon to view the report details. As a PSSD officers, your task is to evaluate the submitted report and assign the appropriate HSE representative and person in charge for each report. In the HSE representative section, select the HSE representative and person in charge to take action for the report. Click on the Assign button to confirm and notify them. Once the report issue is settled and ready to be closed, PSSD officers will have to forward the report to the appropriate head of section. In the follow-up section, select the head of section you want to forward to. You must include a remark before approving the report. Click on the Approve button to approve the report and notify the head of section.